Good morning, children. How are you? Today we will learn one story from Fun with English book. Now, children, see this is page number 32 and 33. This is letter I, but the sound of this letter is E. Now I will read the words. Map of India, insect, igloo, Indar, ink pot, ink, inch tape. Now children, I will read the story of letter I. Sound of letter I is E. Father of Indar pasted a map of India on the wall. Brother of Indar was looking at an igloo. Indar wanted to refill ink from the ink pot in his pen. Ink pot fell down on the floor near the inch tape. An insect was crawling on the ink. Now children, read this story, learn the words and send your videos to Bharti ma'am. Thank you. See you tomorrow.